Okay, in this video, we're going to go ahead and prove that the area of a regular hexagon will be 6 times s squared square root of 3 divided by 4. So it's important to understand a regular hexagon means that each side and angles are the same. They're equivalent. So for example, now this picture isn't drawn to scale, but this angle and this angle would be the same length. So one of the first things that we need to do to solve this problem is figure out what is this angle measure. And we have a nice formula. So n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, where n is our number of sides. So it's a hexagon, so 6 sides. So we have 6 minus 2 times 180 divided by 6. And so we're going to get 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 times 180 divided by 6, and we're going to get 120 degrees. How I did this, 180 divided by 6 is 30, 4 times 30 is 120. So each angle measure is 120 degrees. Now let me draw the center right here. And if I connect it, I can form 6 triangles. Let's just see that. And again, my picture isn't drawn to scale, so it may not look perfectly the same, but we're going to get 6 triangles. And more specifically, each triangle will be an equilateral triangle, and we'll see why. So the reason why I know this is 60 degrees is that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 of them. So a circle is 360 degrees, so each of these angles is 60 degrees. Now we said earlier, this angle from here to here in blue was 120 degrees, but we're splitting it up. So this is also going to be 60 degrees. Now we have 60, 60, and this has to then be 60 degrees. So we have an equilateral triangle. And in the last video, we had a proof showing that an equilateral triangle would be s squared square root of 3 divided by 4. So the only difference with a hexagon is we're multiplying by 6. So we saw in the previous slide, the area of a regular hexagon, it will be 6 times s squared square root of 3 divided by 4. So all we have to do is swap. We know our side length is 8, and it says it's a regular hexagon. So we have 6 times 8 squared times the square root of 3 divided by 4. And we know 8 squared is 64. So we have 6 times 64 times the square root of 3 divided by 4. Of course, we can simplify. We can divide this piece by 2, get 3. Divide this piece by 2 and get 2. Likewise, divide this piece by 2, get 1. Divide this piece by 2, get 32. 3 times 32 is 96. So our final answer, our area will be 96 times the square root of 3. So this is the area of this regular hexagon. And that's all we need to do for this problem.